Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you wondering if you can dropship on Etsy and how to do it the right way in 2025? In this video, I will break down step by step how Etsy dropshipping works, how to find products, set up your store still within Etsy rules, and my top tips to succeed. So if you want to build a side hustle or add a new income stream, stick around and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more e-commerce tutorials. So without any further ado, let's jump in. So first of all, let's talk about, can you dropship on Etsy? So first, can you ever dropship on Etsy? The short answer is yes, but carefully. Etsy is a marketplace for handmade, vintage, or unique goods. Dropshipping must produce items from AliExpress or big factories can get your banned. But if you work with production partners like print on demand suppliers, Printful, Printify, or Galatro, etc., that makes products to order using your custom design that 100% allowed under Etsy's rules. So instead of generic items, you will be selling custom design mugs, shirts, art, paints, jewelry, and many more. So now talks about how Etsy dropshipping actually works. So here is how Etsy actually work in a nutshell. A customer places an order in your Etsy shop like that way. Just click on product and order it. Then you forward the order to your production partner, for example Printify or Printful, like this website Printify or Printful, whatever, you can choose any of them, both are perfect. And then they print or produce the item and ship it directly to your customer. You never touch inventory. You earn the difference between what the customer paid and what the supplier charges you, minus Etsy fees. So let's talk about pick a niche and product type. So next, you need to choose a niche and product type that fits print on demand. Popular ideas are custom mugs, t-shirt and hoodies, personalized jewelry, printable wallet, and paid theme gifts. So here you will find out all the categories. If you go to the categories, you will find out these categories in here. The more unique or personalized you design, the better chance you have to stand out in Etsy search. Do some quick research, search Etsy for your niche, see what's selling, and look for gaps you can find with your own twist. So let's say we are going to search for the mugs. It will be custom mugs. So I will search here custom mugs here, and let's hit enter, and here actually we'll able to see the custom mugs people are selling in here. So if you found out any gap in here, you can go with that niche. It's totally up to you. You can search further more by using advanced tools to do this niche research. So here you can see there is a couple of options. You can do the filter, shifts from BD. You will find out from Bangladesh people are doing business in here. So we could not find any result for customers, so this is not available. So no one is doing business from Bangladesh. So if I search for the wall mat, also wall mat, wall art, and let's search here, and here eventually you will able to see this is the customizable, so you can do the work with that product or niche also. So now let's talk about to pick a production partner. So some top choice for Etsy are Printful. Like let's search for the Printful. This is the Printful options, like easy, integrate, good quality, lots of products available in here. Then the second one is Printify. So here you can see this is the Printify. If you search here, you will able to see build e-commerce business, so create and sell customs products. So it is a huge product catalog, competitive pricing, multiple print providers available in here, and the great thing is no credit card actually needed here to create your account. Then the next one is Gelato. So here let's search for the Gelato, and you will able to see that this is the first global product chain, great for wallet and posters. Also here you can see global print on demand platform. So here actually you can see it. Then the last one is Guten. Let's search for Guten. Or you can see these are the platform you can use for your business. it will be a great production partner for you. So Gluten is a good for unique products and scaling up business. Most of these have a free plan you can pay when you make a sale. Connect your Etsy shop to your production partner so orders automatically flow through. So now let's talk about create your Etsy shop. So creating an Etsy shop sometimes feel overwhelming, but if you follow some process, then you can easily create this one. So you just need to go to the etsy.com and click on sell on Etsy options. So here let's search for the Etsy. Here let's click over here Etsy, and then here you can see we have that option called sign in. You just need to click over here, and from that place you just need to click on register. Once you click over here, now you just need to create your account, or you can search for sell on Etsy option, also sell on Etsy, and here you will get the options how you can become a seller in here. So Etsy seller account, just click this one. You just need to know this one, and from that place Etsy seller account, so you will find out seller guide here. Also you can purchase those. So let's register our account here, and let's dive into the main thing again. So I'll go with our Gmail. I will copy this one and then just click to the continue. Once I click over here, it will take a couple of minutes, and here eventually you are able to see here. So now if you want to go over that place, you can see that shop preference, name your shop, stroke your shop, and how you will get paid. So these are mainly for the creating an store in Etsy. So here you can see this is the shop manager, and this is our account. So this way you can do your Etsy register. So now you just need to follow the step. Pick your shop name and your location. I already mentioned that one. So again, go here and you can see the first one is shop preference, and I mean the shop, pick a name for your business. Then shop, like stock your shop, and then you just need to add a clear shop banner, logo, and about section. This builds trust. And add your first product listing, write clear titles, detailed description, and use high quality mockup images from your production partner. Set your pricing so you cover the base cost Etsy fee, about 6.5% per sales, and your profit margin. Now let's talk about to optimize your listing. So success on Etsy depends on a lot on your SEO and listing. You just need to use the clear searchable titles. For example, custom dog mug, personalized pet gift for dog lover. This will be your title, so it will be clear. And write detailed description, include who is it for, what it is made of, size, and clear indications. And then use all 13 text. This helps your listing appear in Etsy search, and you can add multiple photos, lifestyle shots, close-ups, size cards. The better your listing look, the more trust you build, and the more sales you will get. So let's talk about the handling orders and customer service. When you get an order, your production partner will fulfill and ship it for you, but you are still the store owner, so you are responsible for checking that orders go through smoothly, handling your any customer questions or complaints, then update tracking if needed, then managing return or issues if something goes wrong. Good customer service is equal to good reviews, and reviews are huge for Etsy searching ranking. So that's it for today. Now you know how you can do dropshipping on Etsy step by step in 2025. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.